Maggie, have you got the hiccups? Maggie, have you got the hiccups?
What's wrong with you, Pickle?
Maggie?
Yeah.
Oh.